Okay, so if you don't know me, hi, my name is Natalie. I am a student from Prague and I'm leaving in like 40 hours to Canada to study there for half a year. And I decided I want to film everything. So from what I've heard, people that are leaving for like an exchange visit for more than like, you know, a month, they usually start packing like 2 weeks earlier. Well, not me. I have like a day. But yeah, I decided that I want to film everything from Canada, so I decided that maybe it would be fun to, you know, show you what I'm taking with me, or maybe not, I don't know. Hopefully you won't get bored throughout this video. Oh my god, focus. But yeah, I will stop talking and we should go get into it because I literally don't have any time. So we are in my closet and I'm freaking out because I don't know what to pack with me. In Canada, I will be staying with my aunt, so I called her yesterday to know what's like the weather when I will be there. So she said to me that I shouldn't take like anything for skiing because she has everything. And also, like, I should just take what I like, so yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to just like make small packs and then take everything to my bedroom and just like organize it there. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, update. So I got all of my socks done, I think. I also got all of my underwear and my bras ready, and I also had all of my turtlenecks, but I think this will take like a lot longer than I thought. But anyway, I'm going to move on to pants, jeans, and sweatpants and everything, you know, down here. So let's keep going. Okay, so I've bring all of this stuff here and I'm going to go through it right now real quick. I have to leave in like an hour and I have to meet with my friend because we didn't have the chance to say goodbye. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, so I'm literally freaking out because I realized that I was so stupid and I literally have like no time. But anyway, I found these 2 luggages, which I will probably take. And now I'm just going to bring all of my other clothes from my closet and then just put it all here. And then like start deciding what I want the most because this is like not even half of the clothes I want to take with me. And this wouldn't fit into both of these luggages. So I'm pretty screwed. But anyway, I said I will calm down. So that's what I'm going to do. So this can fit into my luggages. I have so much clothes! Okay, so I literally have like 20 minutes until I have to leave. So I'm just going to categorize everything and then I'm going to just like decide what I need the most and what I like don't need that much. But I need everything, oh my god! Okay, I will stop being a baby, I swear. Oh my god, so this big pile of clothes are only jackets and coats that I want to take with me. I think if you would try to put all of those coats into like both of those luggages, they wouldn't fit. And what about the rest of my clothing? Why did I didn't do this earlier? I also have like all of my shoes right here. So I'm just going to go through that right now and just... I'm freaking out. I'm just going to go through everything right now. So here are all of my shoes. I think with shoes I'm not that bad. I have, you know, I have one athletic wear. I probably don't need these, but I want to take them. Then I have like these ones for winter, but they are like really unpractical, but they look nice. So then I have these ones, which like Timberlands are the must-have. And then I have my Converse, which I'm taking no matter what. So I have 5 pairs of shoes for 5 months. It's still a lot, but I mean, for now, I think it's not that bad. We will see how much space I will have in my luggages. But yeah, anyway, I think I'm going to meet up with my friend right now. So I will quickly change and then meet up with her. And hopefully I will like finish all this. No, I will definitely not finish all this today. So yeah, but I will try and then we will continue tomorrow. Look who's back. I'm calm now. I just got back from the hangout with my friend. It was actually really nice. So I kind of like stopped thinking about how I am late to everything. And so I calmed down and now I'm relaxed and we can get back to it. So also it's like 11 p.m. right now, which is like perfect time to get started. I think I'm going to try everything on and kind of like decide what I think I will wear and what I think I won't, because like look at all these clothes. This. And then there's all the dirty clothes that I have to still throw in the washing machine. So that will be like twice as many clothes. And then there are all of these coats, then my shoes, and also this whole stash of clothes. But anyway, I'm just going to try everything on and yeah. No, I need these. These fit me really well though. Yeah, I like these. The next one, please. Will be a bit thicker. Yeah, these don't fit me. Yeah, I will be leaving these behind. Black mom jeans, I can go wrong with these. Then are these ones. They are like my favorite piece of jeans, so I'm definitely taking these ones. Super comfortable, definitely taking those. And then I have these ones. I probably don't need like 2 pairs of black skinny jeans, but I mean, like, they're super essential. But I need these. I need these. I'm really bad at this. Okay, update. So far, it's going really terrible. I'm taking all of these jeans and leaving just one behind. Great. But anyway, I think I really don't need that many skirts, so I'm going to move on with skirts now. This is my favorite skirt. I'm not going to even try this on. But this is too, though. I'm really bad at this. I mean, I love how it fits. You know what? I'm going to start a new pile. You know, like a maybe pile, which will be right here. Okay. And then the last skirt, I probably don't need this. Do I wear this that often? I like it though. Okay, this is going to the maybe pile. Then I have like these shorts, which I probably won't take it with me. Sucks. Okay, I decided to go to sleep because it's like midnight and I'm literally like falling asleep. You're welcome. Hi, so it's the next morning, or morning is like 12 o'clock. I honestly slept like 3 hours today because I don't know why I started overthinking everything. Then I like had so much anxiety that I couldn't sleep, so I just stayed in bed. I'm literally like leaving in like 10 hours and right now we are finishing everything. Yeah, but anyway, before I went to bed yesterday, I actually I couldn't fall asleep, so I went through the clothes again. And like, let me show you. This is like everything I have now. These are all my turtlenecks. I have only 4. Then here, t-shirts. I probably still have like too many crop tops, but yeah. And here are all of my jeans. Then here are all of my dresses. And here are all of my pants. So many of them are missing because they are dirty. Then here is like all of my athletic wear. Shorts, leggings, t-shirts, bras, and then like a skiing top. And then I have all of my pajamas and like comfy clothes. Then all of my hoodies and sweaters. I got rid of so many of them. I'm actually taking only 3 shirts, which I think it's not that bad. Yeah, but then here is my like maybe pile. Take this as well. And then is like a cute party top. I don't know if I'm going to go to any parties because I don't know if I will make any friends. But let's hope so. Then I'm definitely taking this, you know, it's a great essential. I can wear this to cinema, to school. If I want to just like look more elegant, this is great. Then I will take my jean jacket, but I won't take this one. I forgot the other one at my friend's house, so she's going to bring that to me to the airport. I will also take this sweater, which is like a cardigan. And then I have like 1 coat in the washing machine. But yeah, I'm going to put it all into my luggage and then I'm going to weight it. I literally can't believe this. It all fit into my bag. Oh my god. Also, I know this is really disgusting to put the bag on the bed. The bag on the bed. But nobody really sleeps here, so it's fine. So now I'm going to weight it. Oh, it's 59. Okay, so it's 59 with me. So 59 minus 46. 59. I'm really bad at math. Okay, so if I counted it right. Yeah, I did. It weighs only... Oh, I forgot to... Okay, that's why. Okay, I forgot to... I'm stupid. Okay, let's do this one more time. Okay, so I think I'm like finished with this big bag, and I also put all of my shoes and my belts into this bag. But anyway, I'm going to pack like all of my makeup and like toiletries, and then I'm going to pack like all of my electronics, my cameras, my chargers and everything, and put it in one of those two backpacks. I like this one more, but it's kind of like, yeah, I think I will take this one. All my makeup in this bag. Now I'm going to move on to the electronics. I can't really move my face. Okay, but anyway, this is everything I'm going to be taking with me to the airport. Okay, so I'm back. Excuse my outfit because all of my clothes are now like in my luggage, so this is what you get. Anyway, this room is like a complete mess, so I'm going to clean it now and finish like luggages. I will put all the clothes that I don't want to take with me into this... Ouch! Oh my god, into this bin. Okay, so I think now is the part that I finally like realized how much clothes I've actually packed with me. So I think I'm going to like quickly go through it again and just realize what I truly want and what I don't, because it's just way too much stuff. Okay, so for example, I have like 2 black plaid pants, but these are like navy. These are like black. And then I have like these black striped ones. But like, you know, all of them are so different, and I know I will wear them a lot, but I also know that I want to be shopping there. Wah! I don't know. Okay, so I literally am like leaving just the basics. I have like black tee, white tee, then white, and like my favorite white tee, then my white tank top, and then like my other favorite tee, but like, okay, that's not me. I should probably like leave these 2 blouses behind because I literally wear them all the time, but nope, not gonna happen. This takes up a lot of space in my luggage, but also like, this is like a really nice comfy white sweater, but I need the space. And I will leave this one behind. Hey! I just took like a quick break from packing right now. I cleaned like everything from my Mac. I really wanted to do that before I went to Canada because literally I had so many things on my computer that just were there and I never used them, so now it's like everything is clean and everything is working, so I'm really happy about that. But anyway, I think I'm going to end the video right now. This is how the luggages are looking right now. I've put my winter coat in there, and then like some gloves and beanies and stuff I want to wear for winter. And then yeah, I'm pretty much done. The only thing like that's missing is like my, I don't know, my brown pencil, my corrector, and like my toothbrush, which I want to use in the morning, so I will put that everything in there in the morning. And yeah, but I'm done. I literally am so happy. It's not even like 8 o'clock, which is amazing because I thought that I would be packing like until midnight or like even longer, so I'm finally like kind of calm. I'm sorry I look so disgusting, but like my appearance is the last thing I really care about right now, so yeah. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!